How to fix Steam Remote Play not working or won't connect. So in this video, we'll discuss how you can fix this particular problem. So I have in here this help article. So first thing you need to do is to make sure to update your Steam client and game. Click on this Steam right there and click onto this check for Steam client updates. If there's an update available, just download and install it. Restart the Steam once it's done. Now in there, you can just actually update your game as well by clicking on the properties, and in there, just always keep this game updated under the automatic updates. Now if you have a beta, just choose the none option. Next thing is to stop using the Steam beta client. Go over to your Steam and click on settings. On your account, click onto this change under the beta participation, and then click on the none in order to opt out of all beta programs. Next is to disable and enable remote play. To do that, click on your settings, then click on remote play, and click on this right here in order to enable it. Next is to disable hardware decoding on Steam. To do that, head over to your remote play again, click on advanced client options, and then from in there, click on this enable hardware decoding. Next is to disable other network connections. This is done by going to your settings on your Windows and click on network and internet, changing your adapters options right there and then disabling it right here. You can also force change your IP address by going to your Windows R and typing CMD, choosing here this ipconfig release as well as ipconfig renew in order to get one. Then open right here this Steam, open console. Then from in there, make sure to actually see in there and you can find your new host IP address. Next is to disable the IPv6 onto your settings, network and internet, and changing your adapter options based on this. Click on the properties right here. After that, make sure to click onto this IPv6 and disable it. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, feel free to like and subscribe. It really supports the channel. And if you got a question, just drop it in the comments.